What happens when influence becomes income and honesty becomes optional? Let's talk about media versus economics in the context of vlogging and brand ambassadors. Hi, I'm Hazel, a certified tita and a public relations master's student of AIJC. Let me share with you what I learned in ethics and media law class. So right now, I got here my water. Dahil sabi ng nutritional coach ko, hindi lang 2 to 3 liters of water. It should be 3 liters dahil mainit ngayon. So, eto. Let's power up with water.
Yes!
In today's digital media environment, vloggers and influencers carry massive persuasive power. This one. Mapapa-add to cart ka, mapapa-check out ka dahil sa kanila. Very persuasive, ano? Bam! Okay, pindot sa yellow basket. However, ethical conflict occurs when financial incentives is in control over clear disclosure. When profit dictates messaging, media shifts from information to hidden persuasion. Also, brand ambassadors who promote products without declaring sponsorships mislead their audiences. Bakit? Viewers believe they are watching personal opinions, where in fact, they are consuming paid endorsements. And this violates ethical principles of transparency and informed choice. Remember, disclosure protects credibility, and credibility is important for long-term influence. So, as digital communicators, we must choose transparency over profitability. Because at the end of the day, truth builds trust, trust builds character, the foundation of human connection. I hope that helps. See you on the next one. Bye. 3 liters.